Hello, so today we're looking at the table of contents practice. This is a very short exercise, quite simple if you know what you're doing. However, if you don't know what you're doing, it's quite impossible. So I'm asking you to take these headings down here on page 2 and turn them into this table of contents using word tools. So, if you know about tables of contents and table of figures and all of those kind of things, then you know how this works. So let's have a look at the starting table. So I don't want to spend much time on this, but notice you got these things called headings. Everything which is called a heading is the highest level. Note I mean highest level as in it's not indented at all. The subheadings they seem to be indented by 1 level, and the super subheadings are indented by 2 levels. And if you know where this is going, you know why I'm looking at it like that. So I tried to create some consistency just in the names of these headings, just so you wouldn't have to refer back to this. So in other words, this is a level 1, this is a level 2, level 1, level 1, level 2, level 2, level 3, level 3, level 1. Alright, so now that we know what we're going to do, this is just a matter of applying styles. There's a couple ways you can do this, but the easy way is by far just on the home tab. I go, that's a heading 1. Right, I mean, it's not intuitive that this would mark something for a table of contents, but it does. It's just a matter of looking at them. Heading 2, heading 2. These are the super subheadings. Those are heading 3s. And that's a heading 1. So they have kind of weird names. Alright, so that's the non-intuitive part. Just mark it. Then I'm saying to put this on the 3rd page. So that means I need a page break. And I head down to this new page. Whenever I'm inserting a table of contents, I like to give myself a little bit of room. And so if I want to insert that table of contents, that's under References, Table of Contents, there's Automatic 1, and that didn't look very good. I'm sure it's up here somewhere. And there you go. Right? Finished product. Notice it has a title on it. Those are my level 1s. Those are my level 2s. Those are my level 3s. Levels being defined by the heading level. So once you've done this a couple times, it's just not the most technical process. But if you haven't done it before, it's really mysterious. So that's how you use word tools to create a table of contents. Specifically, that table of contents.